remember, guys, how I'm always saying to you, when someone gives you a quote on something, it's just a quote. A quote is a quote, a price is a price. I just want to show you, now you've seen this cab in the last video, and I've pulled it in the shop, and I'm going to show you why sometimes, because I'm trying to back up some of us other guys out here in shops, I'm trying to show you why prices go up sometimes. But to keep it fair, the shop should phone the customers and say, hey, look, we found this. It's going to be this X amount of time in dollars we feel to fix it. So that would be the right thing for the shops to do. They shouldn't just go ahead and fix it and say, yeah, I'd had this problem, and that's where your extra $2-3 grand or whatever the fuck the number is they're coming up with is. But anyway, I'm just going to show you an example. So here's the cab right here. It's tilted up on its end, if you remember. I took it out of the back carport and I've tilted it up on its firewall just so I can get up under this area a little better. Now, I don't know if you're going to see this very well. Up in there, let me get my hand around here. Can you see? This has all been cut out. But as you can see the rust that's in behind where I cut it out? See, because I cut all there. And you can see that right there. So see, it's all the hidden stuff that you never know. There's the pieces we cut out right there, a piece of it. Another one over there. Oh, hey, give me 1 second. So this is what goes on here. So we're just going to show you what it's all about. Okay. So we'll come back and show you as we cut some more of this out, and we'll move along from there. Guys, I didn't realize there was a customer standing in the office there, waiting. Something else I had booked in that I completely forgot about. Everyone and anyone that knows me and works for me and will tell you that I always forget about little things that I try and tell people, bring it by, I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. And so I completely forgot. He dropped off some TA parts, which are sitting right here. Let's get this turned around. So we had done the body work. Bruce had done the body work on this deck lid, the mirrors and the rear panel between the, right here, between the rear window and the deck lid. He had done that sometime back when we put it in just a black primer. And the customer brought him in now, along with the wing off the back of the car, and he said, can you finish these up and let's paint them black? So that was what happened. He cut me off here. So anyway, as I was showing you, look at this truck underneath. Look at the rust in this old girl. But as I was showing you, we were working on that. So I cut some more out, and I started, God, it's fucking hard to film in here. I started welding. Where the hell are we going to go? I started welding some in there. Can you see that? You probably can't even make it out. This is all new down in here. I've welded all this up. It was all rusted in behind here where I had shown you. I've already taken care of that. Now I'm working on this. I got one more piece right. You can't see it. Let me get around here. Motherfucker. Right there. You see that right there? That's the last piece I got to make, and then all this has been repaired in here. So then we took care of it. So we'll get a better shot if we can. It's almost impossible. That's why I've got the cab flipped up. Oh, let me get around here. I got the cab flipped up on its firewall. Not the greatest video in the world, but just showing you that you never know what can be hidden between things and behind things. Okay. It's always a good time at old time, and we will see you next time. Big thumbs up to all you guys.